Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss how you can earn good income in the site. Here the minimum withdraw 0.1 cent. The name of the site is Triaba. Triaba.com. Of course you need to use mobile proxy. In the video I am going to show you how to create a mobile proxy. Those who have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe this channel. So go to triaba.com and open any browsers. The mobile the proxy I am used to mobilehop.com. Here the settings mobile proxy, mobile proxy. You can see address, port, http proxy, login password. This is a very good proxy, mobile proxy. This is my mobile proxy, Mobilehop. We are using the mobile it is the server of the VPN or profile server name. Now cost 225 monthly free. I took a proxy. You will get the open http address, port of all, username, password. Here address, port, check proxy and profile, create login password. Triaba.com. You can get proxy. The see here. Okay, same to same. See your proxy login, join now. See here email address, enter your email address, password, repassword, gender also. Okay, enter my email address and password, repassword, gender and date of birth. Email please confirm the email, copy link and open the Triaba confirm link. My link is confirm. Okay, all agree. My account is done. Very popular and very easy proxy site, triaba.com. Using Mobilehop proxy is very good, very fast internet speed. The reward Bitcoin, Apple gift card, only to minimum withdraw $2, Amazon 0.1 cent withdraw available. It's very good. Any card, gift card, PayPal, minimum withdraw $1 only. Okay, transformation, survey dashboard, huge survey. Okay, Triaba is very good and using mobile proxy. Thank you very much.